To adjust the drive chain tension on your Polaris XCR, follow these steps. Park the snowmobile on a flat, level surface. Remove both side panels by releasing the rubber strap and turning the 2 quarter-turn latches. Pull the panels out and lift up to remove. Next, rotate the driven clutch counterclockwise to its end stop to move all chain slack to the tensioner side. Then, lock the parking brake. Next, remove the 3 push rivets on the right side of the console. If equipped with a battery, remove the battery for additional clearance. Next, loosen the adjuster bolt jam nut. Finger tighten the adjuster bolt until it can no longer be adjusted by hand. Then back off 1/4 of a turn. Next, torque the jam nut the specification while holding the adjuster bolt. If equipped, reinstall the battery. Then, reinstall the side panel by inserting the tabs at the bottom and top. Finally, secure the rubber strap and the 2 quarter-turn latches. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.